Welcome to this video by Oceanic Saunas. In this video, we will show you how to descale our domestic and light-duty commercial steam generator. This procedure must be carried out by a competent tradesman. Begin by isolating the water supply. Now press the drain button while the keypad is not illuminated. The red light on the keypad labelled drain should now be illuminated, indicating the draining process has started. Check if the drain is working by listening to or feeling the pipework. If the drain is not working, please skip to the end of the video to see how to unblock the drain. When the machine is empty, turn off the power to the steam generator. On top of the machine is a plate labelled water probe. Remove this using the 4 screws. Pull out the water probe and set aside on the top of the generator without disconnecting the wires. Now mix 5 litres of water with 250 grams of acid granules. Dip a cloth into the citric acid and use this to clean off any limescale off the water probe. Pour in the 5 litres into the tank. Replace the water probe. Make sure no wires catch on the casing or the top plate. Replace the top plate and screws. Turn the water back onto the machine. Turn power onto the machine. Push the on-off button on the keypad. The machine will now top itself up with water and should turn on the elements. Listen until the machine has started to boil, then turn it off. This will speed up the descaling process. Leave the machine to descale for a minimum of 4 hours. After this time has elapsed, drain the machine twice. Make sure you listen on both occasions for any blockages to the drain valve. We strongly advise the machine is removed, and this is done on a workbench with no electricity plugs or sockets around. If you choose to do this while the generator is in place, you must isolate all power to anything in the same area. Make sure you have a bucket ready underneath the steam generator. It may be useful to have another person helping to hold the bucket. Remove the water and drain connections. Remove the side cover from the steam generator using the 4 screws. Undo the 2 screws next to the drain and inlet valves. This will release the bottom corner of the case. Remove the spade connections to the inlet and drain valve. Rotate the valve so the solenoid points down. Be prepared with a bucket. Remove the 4 screws from the valve. Be careful not to lose the screws, the plunger, or the spring. Some water may come out now, or it may be badly blocked. Continue to rotate and remove the brass section. Use a pipe cleaner or something flexible to push up the pipe to dislodge the blockage. Always have the bucket ready. Once you have cleaned out the blockage, flush the steam generator by filling it in the top where the water probe is. This will remove larger deposits of limescale. You could also try removing one of the elements and using a long screwdriver to break up the scale inside. This will only be suitable for commercially operated machines.